even though you already took a shower and your hair was wet 2 seconds ago, you dry it completely off with your towel, and then you re-wet it. So wet. Make sure it's wet. Make sure like you run your hand through it and it's wet. You grab your comb and you comb sideways. First sideways. Make sure you get the front. It's gonna look funny, but it's when it starts to look clean. And you might think that your sides, not enough hair. Yes, brush. There's hair there, it must be brushed. Okay? Now, once you think you've gotten at a good stage, you're gonna go this way and you're gonna up. Like if a cow is licking you. You give licks, you know? Lick, 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 lick. Okay? And then you gotta do one this way because the hairs here have to like merge with the hairs going back. And so that's why you gotta give one final this way, you know? There's not hairs there, but there's hairs there. Keep them into account. Make sure everything's good. Check your back. Sometimes this back part, if your barber doesn't do a good job, you'll get a little one of these. You don't want that. Then, once you think you've got yourself in a good position, left and right, front and center, you grab your hat. Now, why do you need a hat? You just got yourself in the perfect combing position. You want to show it off. No, not yet. You can't overshine, you know? You've got to let it set. To let it set, you put on your hat. Put on your hat. Now, when you put on your hat, see how I took it off and it's still combed? Why? Because you come forward, you start with your forehead, and you come back. And then you lean it back. So that way, this front area stays semi-set, you know? It doesn't be perfect. It just has to get you ready for a good hair day tomorrow.
Thank you, Professor Solis.